Hi guys, it's a quick tutorial to help you with the second part of the sunset. Okay, so you need to click here to start a new program and then go to your digital exercise book and copy and paste the code that you made your own sunset from last week. So here's my new program. If I go back to Teams, it says click here to watch the video. Obviously I'm making the video now, so this will be a link to the video. Okay, so we've got our new program ready, and for instance, if you've not got your sunset code, you can just copy and paste my code from last week or the week before from this document. So Control V, did you mean to type sunset instead of sunset? Ah, you don't want to copy the bit that says Mr. Ali sunset code. Right, so you should have ended up with something like that. Don't worry if you didn't get around to messing around with the sky color. Okay, so I'm just going to go through here and remind you everything that's in here. So these are our variables at the top, and in here, remember, everything inside the draw function has to be indented. So I've just highlighted it all, and I'm just going to press tab, so you can see that everything there is inside the draw function. I'm just going to have to get rid of these little red dots, so hopefully you've got your own code and don't have this issue when copying and pasting mine. Right, so what we want to do is first of all, we need to make sure that we're meeting all the programming standards. Okay, so first thing we need to do is make this code so it's nice and easy for us to read, and I have reference to what all my shapes are. This becomes really important as you add more shapes. Okay, these are the variables that we used. We used the Y and the width to make the sun come down, and this RGB, if you didn't get onto that, that was just messing around changing the color. Okay, so if I press restart, we should have something like that. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is add my boat. So I'm going to add the body of the boat on here. Okay, so all I've done is I've added a rectangle and made the fill color black, and I've plonked it on the horizon. Right, so now I want to add a funnel to, not a funnel, a mast to my ship. Okay. And then I'm going to use an arc to add a sail. So there's my ship. Okay, now we know how to animate one object like the sun coming down or the bottom of this boat moving across the screen. So let's do that. Let's move the boat across the screen. So I'm going to add a new variable, which is x, but we're going to call it xpos, so for x position. So the x position will be the starting x position of the bottom of the boat. So it's 100. Okay, and so in here, if I change the bottom of the boat Ship body. Instead of saying 100, just like before, we're going to put XPOS. Aha! Didn't put my semicolon on. Right. And just to make sure, we'll just move that. So there you go. There's the bottom of the boat moving nicely. Okay. And remember to make the X move with each time that the picture is redrawn. And there you go. Off she goes into the sunset. But wait, the sail and the mast are being left behind. So we need to change the X position for the rest of our boat. So we've got the body with the mast of the boat. So X for the mast of the boat is 147. So we want that to be the same as our XPOS when we want it all to move together. So XPOS is 100, and on the mast it's 147. So this is going to be equal to XPOS plus 47. Okay, let's see if that works. So now that's moving along with the boat. But this is getting left behind. Okay. So here's our tall sail. Just fix that. And that's our X position, 149. So XPOS is 100. Therefore, this is going to be X plus 49. And if I do it now, there you go. My whole ship is moving. Fantastic. Okay, so you can have a go at that. Once you've done that, we can have a little play with the mouse functions, mouse X and mouse Y. Now you should have learned about that from watching the interactive section on Khan Academy.
And yeah, replace that in, so with mouse X. Okay, and now if I go over to my program, look at that, it's moving with mouse X. Okay. Alright, so you have a go now, and see if you can do that.